Welcome to One Kanji a day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read kuni or koku in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means country. It has 8 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like koku. On its own, it is usually kuni. A jewel guarded inside borders, a nation within its walls. Now let's write it. 8 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Kuni, kuni means country. Chuugoku, Chuugoku means China. And gaikoku, gaikoku means foreign country. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Z, read zu, diagram. N, read en, garden. So that's kuni, 8 strokes. Read kuni or koku. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.